Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to be fast around Karting Genk. Heading up to the last corner, we want to make sure we get a good exit, as this is crucial to get good speed on the main straight. At this point you use human DRS to get an extra speed benefit. As you're approaching the first corner, we take it a bit wide so we can get a higher minimum speed and also get a better exit, enabling us to get a better, higher top speed until the next braking zone. Here we stay right next to the curb, we take it as short as possible, and we also make sure we get a higher top speed until the next hard braking zone. We keep it short here and we make sure we stay all the way to the left. We brake very hard, we trail brake all the way to mid corner. We also make sure we get early on the gas as we use our human DRS again. Heading up to the chicane, we brake very hard, we trail brake all the way right next to the apex. We use all the apex on the left here, stay right here on the curb to the right. We go wide, we hit the curb again on the right. We go wide, we trail brake all the way to mid corner and get early on the gas, and we also use all of the track given. Coming up to the cafeteria, we go to the left side of the track, we brake very hard, we hit the apex on the right side, then we use some of the apex on the left side. Make sure you stay close to the curb here on the left side. We use all of the track so we make sure we get a good enough top speed. Coming up to the last and most important corner of the track, we hit all the apex here on the right side, we use all of the track, and again we use our human DRS so we get that extra top speed. And this is a lap around Karting Genk. Hope you enjoyed it.